Welcome to Oak Point Farm on a very breezy, cool, overcast 50-degree fall day. This is more like it. This is fall. Only the hardiest of the hives are flying right now. I see some in and out of 5 and 11, but lucky 13 here catches the eye. I believe these girls would fly in a snowstorm. Of course, we're going to find out soon enough. 17 right here beside of it's the same way. They're always active. 29. Yeah. Good to see some active. Good to see them clustering too. Conserving resources. Just another cool evening in the apiary. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time.